In the realm of wisdom, few voices echo as strongly as that of President Ronald Reagan. A beacon of resilience, his words inspired generations, kindling a spark of ambition in young hearts. He once said, "The future doesn't belong to the faint-hearted, it belongs to the brave." Picture a dragon, a symbol of strength and courage, soaring through the sky, unchained and unbound. It's a reminder, a metaphor for what we can achieve when we dare to dream and have the courage to pursue those dreams. Reagan also advised, "There are no constraints on the human mind, no walls around the human spirit, no barriers to our progress, except those we ourselves erect." So tear down your walls, shatter your barriers, and let your spirit soar like the dragon in the sky. Remember, success isn't just about reaching the pinnacle. It's about the journey, the climb, the relentless pursuit of your dreams. Reagan's words still resonate today, a timeless reminder to be brave, be bold, and believe in the boundless potential within you.